Hello gorgeous, my name is Lily Jasmine and welcome to day 7 of our 7 days of twerk. You made it to the final day, I'm proud of you. We're first gonna start with our leg races and then we are going to do a little challenge because we are going to do Megan Thee Stallion knees for 2.5 minutes long because that's how long the song is, I think. We're gonna do a full song of sitting down and twerking our booty up while we are low, low, low. So our legs are gonna burn. This is just the warm up. You can do it, I believe in you. Please don't let this scare you off because I really think that you can do it. And I hope you can as well. And after the affirmations, I'm sure you do believe in yourself as well. We are almost there. Keep going. I'm a little bit wobbly and that is okay. My legs still hurt because I did leg day. Keep going. And 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. 1. Oh. Okay, now switch. Because we have 2 legs. Keep going. We are almost there. We're past halfway point. Good job. If you're a little bit wobbly, as always, you can always hold on to something. No shame. We only have 15 to go, and then we're done. Oof. Keep going. Keep pushing through the pain, the burn in your butt cheek, because that's what's happening for me. I can feel it. Keep going and try to balance. And we have 5 more and 3, 2, last one. Ow, good job. We're struggling together, don't worry. Place your hand on your heart, other one on your belly. Close your eyes. I know that this might feel a little bit uncomfortable, or so I've been told, but I promise you, if you stick to it, this will really build your confidence and make sure that you start to love yourself more. And if you repeat after me, I am confident. I can learn any skill, and I can do way more than I think. I'm confident. I can learn any skill, and I am capable of learning any skill. I'm confident. I am capable of learning any skill, and I forgot the last one. Say anything you like about yourself that you love. Now give yourself a hug, smile, open your eyes. And yes, I forget sometimes what I'm saying. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, so what I was talking about now is the fun part, or the excruciating, painful part. We are going to do Megan Thee Stallion knees, and you probably know, or I'll sit like this so you can see me in the mirror as well. We're gonna pop our booty up. And you can vary it as well. You can also snake if you want a little bit of variation, but this is the basic. We're gonna do that the whole song that I'm now gonna play. Okay, there we go. If you want, you can hold on to something. Keep bouncing. Ta, 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 ta. Ba, ba. Keep going. You can do this. You've got this. I know it's starting to burn. I feel it too. Ta, ta. Keep going. You can switch legs if you want. Ta, ta. Keep going. Hold on. Come on. I am hurting. But if I can do it, you can. So no excuse. Ba, ta, 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 ta. Keep going. Ta, 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 ta. Keep going. We're almost there. Keep breathing. Ta, 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 ba, ba. Keep going. Ba, ba. Keep smiling. Oh, Yes, we're almost there. Oh. We made it! You made it! I'm so proud of you, and I hope to see you next month for another 7 days of twerk challenge, and in between for all them tutorials. So make sure to subscribe and like this video, and then I'll see you next time. Bye!